Hello and welcome to this presentation. My name is Lee Snyder, the product manager for the steel segment here at Tekla Inc. And what I'll be showing today is this command that's available in Tekla Structures version 20 called the Insert PDF document tool. What this allows me to do is to insert vector-based PDF, the drawings, into the model just like we could DWG or DXF. So this could be a design drawing, for example, that you receive from the engineer. We can just browse to it, set the scale if we want to adjust it, or we can do that later. And then if there were multiple pages within that PDF, I could just define what page number I want to bring in. So I'll just hit OK, load those settings, and I'll switch this to a plan view and click where I inserted this. And you can see obviously this came in much smaller than what it actually needs to be for the proper scale. So I can see here between grids 2 and 3 the dimensional values should be 10 feet. So what I can do is just load in this reference model scale tool, select the PDF, and then just pick those points that I know are 10 feet. So I can just identify any 2 points here that I know the value of. And then once this window pops up, I can just type in 10 feet of what that distance should be. And then Tekla will automatically go in and scale that PDF to the size that it should. Then this is a reference model, so I can come in and move and rotate it just like I could anything else. So let's go ahead and hit move there. And then I can just line this up with my existing grid system. So here's the grid intersection of A2. Let's say I want to move it from there over to here. And that will just line that up with my existing grid. And then using the direct modification, what I can do is just make this match up with the rest. So here, this is where grid line 3 should be. I can just drag that over. Here's grid line 4 that I can drag over, and I can adjust this label to match what they have on the drawing. So they're calling that grid line 5. I can do the same here. Let's drag this over to there. This will be, come ahead and grab this line. Let's change that to 7. Right? And then just one more real quick. This is B. We should adjust that up to there. Okay. And so now what we can do is I can use this drawing inserted in my model to come in and start adding in this framing. So here we got 12 by 16s. So let's go ahead and load in those properties, which I have there. And then using this snap to line tool, what this does is it allows me to isolate these individual lines and use this to help me model. So as soon as I see that arrow show up, I can just click and it inserts that member right there into the Tekla model, and do the same here. And we can just use this to help build our framing. So real quick and easy to start this structure, to set up your grid and start putting objects into the model. Of course, we could insert these plan 1, plan 2, or different elevations to help you build those to speed up the modeling process within Tekla. So really nice functionality. If you have any feedback, comments, please let us know, and we hope you enjoy this new steel development.